Welcome! I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, Stamping Scott. I am so glad you're here because we are going to be doing an unboxing of some brand new stamp sets and accessories that are coming from the brand new Stampin' Up! Holiday Mini catalog that launches August 4th of 2020. If you have placed an order in the last 6 months from my shop page, stampingscott.stampinup.net, I will send you the new catalog. And this is packed with so many amazing stamp sets and accessories that will bring you lots of holiday cheer and spirit because there's so many great sets celebrating the holidays like Christmas and Halloween and Thanksgiving. And I think you're going to find a lot of inspiration in this catalog. So if you're excited like I am and you want to see what's coming, please join me in my craft room and we'll see you there. Hey everybody, welcome back to my craft room. We're going to do an unboxing of the items I was able to purchase ahead of time as a demonstrator from the Stampin' Up! Website for the new Holiday Mini catalog that starts on August 4th of 2020. As you can see, I have a bunch of catalogs here. As I was telling in my intro video, if you've placed an order with me in the last 6 months, I will send you a catalog. And I will be sending those catalogs out this week. So I don't know exactly when you'll get them, but you should have them before the end of the week. I know the 4th is tomorrow when we kick this off, but I do want to let you know that you will get those catalogs from me. Until then, you can go to my website, stampingscott.stampinup.net, and see the catalog visually on my shop site. This catalog is so exciting. There are some mega suites and some really awesome stamp sets for different parts of the seasons, really great fall sets in here, but unfortunately I cannot show the inside of this catalog until after the catalog launches. So let's dig in a little bit. I know there's some fun things in here. You probably can already see this glimmer paper in the background. But let me start with a nice fall set. This is called Life is Beautiful. This is actually a $1 Million Seller stamp set designed by Leanne Greff. I just really liked it. A tree is always a nice thing to celebrate different parts of your life. Of course, this is a photopolymer set, which makes it super easy to stamp with the clear block. And I like the idea that you can take the different types of seasons with the leaves in the tree and decorate your tree accordingly. So that way it's more than just a fall set. It might be maybe a holiday set with those cute little dots, or maybe something for the spring. Also, I like the little fireworks. That's kind of cool. And then the birdhouse you can attach if you'd like. This is a really cute set. I am so excited about that. And here we have the brand new Stampin' Cut and Emboss folders. These are really awesome because they're mini folders for the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss mini machine. Now I do want to let you know that that mini machine is not yet have an ETA date of when it's going to launch, but I will tell you, I will be getting one. I have realized that most things that I die cut are less than 6 inches. And so it'd be nice to have a compact machine that you can pull out just to do some simple die cutting. The new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine will be available shortly. As a demonstrator, I get to pre-order it on August 4th, and I'm so excited about that. If you would really like to benefit from some of those early ordering pre-orders as a demonstrator, you can always consider joining my team. It costs $99 to sign up, and you get $125 of anything from the current catalogs as choice in your first kit. And of course, you get to be a part of my team and a bigger team called the Pink Stampers, and you will have so much fun, I promise. And then you go to stampingscott.stampinup.net and you're going to click on join. Now look at how cute these embossing folders are. I love this design. I'm trying to see if I can get it to see this in the light. There we go. Isn't that pretty? This is going to be a very delicate background. I actually like simple embossing folders to create a background. It's really nice. And I actually use these half folders quite a bit in some other things I've made. I like the crosshatch here. This is really cool. And what you can do is when you take your piece of paper, you can just kind of sandwich it over the area you want to have the embossing go on. It's really nice. Okay? And to get 2 embossing folders, it's a really good price too. I want to say it's like $8. And of course, we're going to see this beautiful glimmer paper. And this is the Balmy Blue color from Stampin' Up. They did discontinue all their glimmer paper in the mainline catalog, but they're bringing some back just for the Holiday Mini. You get 2 sheets of glimmer paper. This stuff stamps so nicely, and if you've ever used glitter-based paper, I want you to know that Stampin' Up! Has reformulated this paper so it doesn't get all over the place. It's a very clean glitter paper. You would love it. And this color is so beautiful. You make some snowflakes, beautiful stuff with this. Now these are not in the holiday catalog. I actually just ordered these as a part of this order. I have somehow lost all my gold foil, and I love their foil sheets, and it's a wonderful thing to do some embossing. So I did buy some gold sheets. Ooh, okay, this is exciting here. So you know how much I love this punch right here. This is the Lovely's label punch, where you have the 2 different punches that you can decorate, and then you have 3 different size strips that you can create to do some layering. It is a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. And this is a really versatile punch. The thank you cards that I'm sending out to my customers this week for purchasing in July, I use that Lovely Labels punch right here. So you can see that I have that nice shape, and you can layer the sentiment underneath a background. Simple way to create a label without pulling out your Big Shot and some dies. This is a really great way to make a label punch quickly and make it look elegant. Now they have a banner punch. Woohoo! I saw this and I'm like, we have to get this. So this is Banner's Pick-a-Punch. Now sure, you could create it on your own and you could cut that with the scissors, but it's so cool to have this punch that you can just grab and make those banners super easy. You're gonna love this punch. And I do know this is $23, and believe me, it's the best $23 you'll spend. And now we have 2. You can get this from the main catalog, and you can get this from the new Holiday Mini. Very excited about this. This is gonna open up a whole new door of utilizing some of these cute sentiments that you wanna stick on your cards. So this is the new All the Trimmings Ribbon Combo Pack. And it comes in Poppy Parade and Old Olive. I'm always looking for new ribbons and trims, and I really like the colors on these. It has some gold edging on them. And Poppy Parade is a really pretty bright red, and it's nice to have that punch up a card. I do know that there is some designer series paper in the catalog that complement these particular ribbons. I know you're all looking at this warm and toasty cutesy set. Stamping Scott's not always into cute, but this one totally blew me away. This is a cling mount. It means it's red rubber, and you can see these cute little guys. Oh my gosh, this little polar bear on ice. I also like the sentiments. I like the font too. This is a actual font that you might find on your computer. I wish I knew what that font is called, but there's a name for it. If you guys know what the font is, put it in my comments below. But anyway, I just love this card. It's something fun. There weren't any framelits to go with it, but you know what? For some of those sentiments, like the warm and toasty, I could use the banner punch for that. And I could definitely do Here's to a Cool You and Sharing Christmas Cheer. Oh, and it's got Just For You right down there. Cool, huh? I'm going to be doing a video, guys, on how to make the process of attaching your cling mount so easy to your foam. And I can't take credit for this because I was actually approached by a friend of mine on Instagram who told me, hey, Scott, I have a really awesome way to show you how to mount those labels on, because I thought I had the coolest way to do it. But then he showed me a video on YouTube on how to make this process actually enjoyable and fun. So I will be doing a quick video on how to attach cling mounts to your stamps and make it super easy and usable, because when you do that, you have these really nice, easy to see red rubber stamps that you can attach to your clear blocks in it, because they stick to it and you can see what they're going to stamp out. Having these little clings on the back of your stamps is such a lifesaver. We just became so used to not attaching it because it never stuck to the blocks, but now it does. Ooh, we've got some gems here. I believe these are Balmy Blue too. Yep, I think these are Balmy Blue. These are the blue adhesive backed gems, and you've got 2 different kinds of shades. We've got one that has more an antique gold, and another one that's a little bit more of like an opalescent. And I like these colors. They're going to look really nice with the glimmer paper if I use it as an accent, so you can kind of see how these would go together. I always like little accents like this to punch up a card a little bit more. Ooh, we got some more accessories. Okay. I like mixed media on my cards. One of the things I learned about Tim Holes many years ago is how he uses a lot of trinkets and stuff to decorate his scrapbook pages and his creations as well as cards. And I think that when you can add interest in any way, it creates more fun. Oh, they just come out like that. Oh, cool. They look like miniature Christmas tree decorations, but I kept thinking, wow, I could stick this underneath a label and have it hang on a card really nicely. They're not too thick, so you still would be able to mail these. I don't know, I'm kind of excited about it. So we're going to make something fun with that. I try not to overdo the trinkets just because I don't know if I have enough time in the day to be able to make cards that utilize everything I love, but that's what paper crafting is. We share what we love, and sometimes we don't have enough time to love everything we share. And you know what, you guys? If I don't use this might become a surprise for you when you make a purchase from me. Usually it would be $50 or more. I send usually a little goodie to my customers. But I'm definitely going to make a card with these. I think this will be fun. Now this, oh my goodness. So this is some new 6x6 paper. This is plaid tidings, and I like the colors on here. There's a really cool stamp set that goes with this, and like I said, if I could show you the catalog, I would, but you'll be able to see it on August 4th. You can see all the different colors in here, and it's double-sided too. Look at that. That's cherry cobbler, by the way. You know that's my favorite color, or one of them. There's some rich raspberry, real red. That looks like pretty peacock. Oh, gray. Okay, basic gray. Oh, there we go. Really, really cool colors here. I love plaids. Plaids just remind me of fall, the holiday season. It's nice and warm. Just a nice feeling. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? And they're double-sided, and I think you get 6 sheets of each, so you have plenty to work with. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is a nice classical background for a card. So you could use these for holiday cards, Christmas time. You could definitely use them for fall cards. And you know what? Some of us are just fall colored people. We just like having fall colors around all the time. So why not have a collection of some plaids? Plaids never go out of style. They are a classic. I have a feeling this is going to be a very popular item, so check this out. And these are very affordable, and as you can see, their cardstock is always high quality. You're all probably wondering, what's in this box? What's in this box? Scott, show us the box. Okay, I'll show you the box. This is rectangle tins. Because I'm a demonstrator, I get hostess benefits just like my hostess would. So if I have a party that's $150 or more, I get free hostess credit. This is one of the items I chose for free because I earned $15 in hostess credit. Actually, no, I think I earned $24 because I placed a $200 order. But you know, as a demonstrator, I also get a discount, so that really adds up. And I don't mean to say that, oh, well, I'm a demonstrator and you're not. You can definitely be a part of my team, you guys. I would love to have you on board, and then you too would get that discount. So isn't this cool? It reminds me of an Altoid tin. How many of you have actually saved Altoid tins and reused them? You know, with the current state of the health condition right now, it's not a very good idea to share mints like this. So it's nice to have our own tins to reutilize. I can think so many ways to decorate these between washi tape and using some of our new Stampin' Seal Plus to attach some designer series paper on there. Decorate them, put some cute little gifts in here, maybe some cute little mini cards. You could even make a set of gift tags that you want to give away at holiday time. Put them in a nice little box like this, decorate the box, and give those as a nice sentiment. Maybe do it around St. Nick's time, so then we have time to use those gift tags at Christmas. For those of you that celebrate Christmas, of course. You get 4 tins. I don't remember the cost, but I believe it's around $12. Yay! Tins! The new catalog actually has coffee cups that you can decorate, and then not just coffee cups, but it has a carrier for the coffee cups. It is so cute. All right, now this is a set that I'm all about. For some reason, I just love these big, bright, bold, cursive types of fonts. And I do believe this is photopolymer as well. And then you have some really fun little backgrounds that you could utilize. These would make really nice stamps for your Stamparatus. And then what I really like is that they make dies for this. So I bought the die set to match. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so it looks like it has 3 layers. It has the actual finite cursive. So you could probably put that on the inside of the stamped image to kind of give it more bold look. And then we have the inside that will actually cut around actual font. And then we have another one that's larger. So you could create a nice background. So I really like what they did with this. I'm really excited about that. And it's focusing solely on those bright peace and joy sentiments. But what you may not have seen, and I know I keep forgetting, is that there's smaller little stamps in here that you can use to match different words to. You could say merry and bright, or you could say peace on earth. Or you could say Merry Christmas, or you could say Joy to the World. See, you can use combination, and it creates a neat design. This is going to be one of my favorite sets, and you know I'm going to create a video with this. But you know me, if I do a video and you like the card I make, you can buy all the materials to make that card right off my website. I am now including links on my YouTube channel that takes you right to my shop site that will show you all the items that you can purchase to make the cards I design. Alright, so this is a unique stamp set. This is the Coming Home stamp. And actually, what I like about this stamp set is that some of the profits are going toward a charity. I also love it because I finally have a stamp set where I have a great opportunity to do some coloring, blending, and shading with Stampin' Blends markers. It's going to be a lot of fun. The VW Beetle was a car I drove for many, many years. I love that car. It was a fun car. But I like this because you get to design your own card by stamping images next to each other, and you can create your own card. And of course, we've got dies for this too. I always have to get that. Whenever you buy the dies with the stamp set, they have a bundle price where you save 10%. Now, if you know you're not going to absolutely use those dies, then it's not worth it. But, oh, look at that. All right, that's why I like this. We have all the cutouts for all the images that are in here, but you'll see that there is this cute little wave. This is an edge die that will cut out some nice edges with little trees on it so I can create some three-dimensional backgrounds to put my houses on top of. I just really like sets like this. Now you'll notice there is no sentiments in here, but I was sort of thoughtful about that. I figured that I could use some of the sentiments that were in the Peace and Joy set here. You know, so I could probably do, maybe I could do like the Peace on Earth. Use the Peace on Earth and then maybe use a nice little house scene. I also know from our main catalog, we have a stamp set that came back from last year, and that was in our Holiday Mini in 2019. And it's called Peaceful Bows. No, Peaceful Bows? Peaceful Bows. Okay, I'll never win at that. I don't know what it's called. But this one is now in the main catalog, the new catalog that we just launched at the beginning of June. So this was featured in our mini catalog of 2019 for the holiday and was brought back to have a home in our new main catalog. So this is available all year, while these stamp sets that I'm showing you are only available to the end of December. But look at how some of these sentiments, we could use season's greetings. I like this. May the spirit of peace gently fill your heart and home in this most wonderful time of the year. Cool set. And this is a cling mount. And there are dies with this set that you can find in the main catalog. And you can see the cute little pine cones and the branches. And you know I'm all about that. I will definitely do an online video on this set too. But yeah, see, even though this doesn't have any sentiments in there, I could definitely put season's greetings over that card. Or I could use some of the sentiments from this one to put on there. So when I purchase stamp sets, I think about that strategically, so I know that if I do get one that's all images, I have other sentiments I can use with this card. Well, thank you everybody for joining me on this unboxing of the brand new Holiday Mini Catalog that Stampin' Up! Is releasing on August 4th of 2020, and here it is again. Please remember, if you'd like this catalog from me, all you have to do is place any size order from my website, stampingscott.stampinup.net, and when I see those new orders coming in, I will mark you down for the following month to send you out a catalog. Now, if you were to place one within this month and you did it, I would probably send it out within the week, just because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on anything in here. What I love is Stampin' Up! Gave us a whole nother month for this catalog. Normally the holiday minis don't start until September 1st. This one starts August 4th, so we have a whole nother month to enjoy creating holiday cards. In this time of year where we've been really put into a very stressful period of our lives, staying at home a lot, not connecting like we usually do, sharing kindness and greetings is really what it's all about, you guys. Making cards and sharing that kindness with each other. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm really excited to kind of get my hands all inky and start creating some cards for you for the holiday season. I should be able to get that going mid-month. I'm on some downtime in the next week and a half on a vacation, doing some camping. But because I have some downtime, I'll be able to make more cards. So that's really great. And I'm working on 2 more videos. So you're going to see a video coming out on card making using a masking technique that is featuring By the Dock, which is a really awesome stamp set that I love. And we're going to be doing some Stampin' Blends coloring with using the Memento ink pad in black. And the reason why you use this ink pad is because it is a water-based ink, but it's also extremely detailed. So when you use the Stampin' Blends and you do the coloring, it doesn't bleed. And that's why you use that. So that video is coming up. I just shot the intro last night, and I am so excited to actually create that video for you. Yay! So thanks everybody. I would love it if you could give me feedback below. Please leave comments if you have any questions about the items I shared with you today. Also, keep in mind that if you are interested in crafting, sewing, and creativity, please join me on my Stampin' Scott Facebook page. You just go to Facebook, type in Stampin' Scott, it's 2 words, and you will be able to find that page. It's a community that cultivates creativity, sewing, all sorts of fun stuff. You can upload your photos if you want, share things that you're working on, and I also use it as a platform for my Stampin' Up! Business. I so appreciate you. I really love having you in my life and being able to share these things I like to share, and hopefully this might find a little bit of joy in your life, because you following me on YouTube brings me a lot of joy in my life. Thanks for giving me purpose. I so appreciate you. Bye for now. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please check out some of my other videos on my YouTube channel, Stamping Scott. See you really soon!